Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Linda again. Compliments of the season. It's been a while. Hope you all are doing great. Today we're gonna be talking about chicken nuggets. Yes, our KFC standard chicken nuggets will be shown to you today how to do it from scratch to finish. You have to make your dining table so amazing this season, entertain your guests and visitors, give your family the best in this season. Here we start by using the whole chicken and washing it up, cutting the chicken breast out to get the chicken breast. Yeah, this is how you wash it up with warm water, clean it up to make it neat, then you slice. Now this is the chicken fillet I already purchased before I got the whole chickens. Comparing the price of the chicken fillet already sliced, it has no value to the price of the whole chicken. So I concluded that it's better buying the whole chicken and cutting out the breast, slice it on your own, then you get more quantity of meat. Here the whole chicken has been cleansed. Now I'm gonna cut the breast out and slice them in the shape how I will use them into fillets. That one was the one I already bought, sliced. Now I'm gonna work on this to get the fillets out for making these chicken nuggets. I worked my way through in separating the breast from the whole chickens. Now we'll use the whole chickens for cooking stew or anything else. Now concentrating on the breast, I peeled off the skins. Now divided it into two and slice it in the best way I can. You know, I'm not a butcher. In the best way I know I could do it. So that's it, guys. At this juncture, I realized I was not using my chopping board, so I involved it to make the work easier. These are the fillets from just one chicken, and I'll be working the other one next. Yeah, I went through the whole process again, slicing in the base where I know I could put it out, and the work goes on. In this holiday period is a period of eating and drinking. Even those that don't celebrate Christmas are also involved. So it affects everyone because it's a time everyone can have 2 days or 3 days off work and we stay at home with family and friends. And it's a time you can see people you haven't seen in ages, for ages. So when people gather around, you'll be thinking of delicacies to present, not everyday thing. everyday rice stew, jollof, this, that. You have to think of something special, something in the next level you can present on your table. So I see this as one of the recipes you can hold on this holiday period to put on your table, to present to friends. You take it with drinks or anything. You can serve for breakfast, for lunch, like we ate it just like dinner. In this bowl, I have 2 cloves of garlic, onions, and seasoning cubes. This is powdered ginger and spiced pepper, osesuya. So I will be blending these mixtures, adding a little water to it to blend it through. So here are the sliced fillets from my whole chickens. Then the one I got already sliced in the market. You can see the difference in their quantities, showing that buying them as whole is better. Now I put them all together in a bowl. Just added my spiced pepper, a spoon of suya pepper, then ginger, and the blended mix I just did. I spread some sprinkles of salt that may amount to a teaspoon of salt. Then mix all together. After a little mix, I added 3 tablespoons of flour, plain flour, to be a binder so that the mix will stick to the body of the chicken, letting the chicken absorb all the taste and the goodness from the mix and ingredients. So here I thoroughly mixed all together to make sure everything is well mixed. Then I covered the bowl and allowed this mix to rest for at least 30 minutes. While I wait for the 30 minutes to pass, I start preparing my crumbs. This recipe is just my recipe. I did what came over to my head. And it came out so fine. I don't have breadcrumbs in the house. I used cornflakes. I pieces my cornflakes, added 3 spoons of plain flour and 2 spoons of semolina, just to give it those little powdery crumbs. You know those crumbs you see on chicken nuggets that will be in powdery form. This can serve that breadcrumbs if you have it, but I don't have it and I don't want to waste time making one in the house, so I chose semolina. Then I added some powdered pepper, the white pepper, and some salt to it. Then I mixed everything together to make my crumbs for the chicken nuggets. Here we go. You take a slice of fillet and dip it in the crumbs, and after the first dipping you put it in egg. I have 2 eggs here. You dip it in the egg, then you return to the crumbs again. This will make it to finally seal so that it won't start falling off in the oil. When it's not well sticked to the chicken, you will see all these crumbs in your oil, seeing your chicken coming out so naked without any covering. So doing it 2 times, as in the flour binder that I added to the chicken will be the first binder that will hold the first crumbs. Then you dip in the egg will be a second layer, we have the second layer binding to stick. So that's the process I went through till I finished the whole nuggets. Time for frying. So here you put some oil in the pan, a dry pan, and allow it to heat. Actually, my first set of nuggets were not filmed. I thought the camera was on, but oh no, not. So the first batch has already gone and they came out so fine, well cooked. Here now is the second batch also cooking, about to be ready. You set it on a medium heat to allow the inside of the meat to be well cooked. If the heat is high, the crumbs will first burn. They will get burnt and turned brown or even black before the meat will be cooked, and you will end up having a raw meat inside the nugget. So to help the nuggets cook well, set the heat on a medium heat. With a medium heat, it will be well cooked and the browning, as in the crumbs, will come out golden brown and not dark brown. That's the process, and this one is ready now to come out, and that's what I'm doing, getting them out. Guys, are you just watching? Have you liked this video? Please hit the thumbs up there for this video, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, because I will be coming up with so many delicacies that are easy and simple to make, that won't waste your whole day in the kitchen, but when you bring them out, everyone will say wow. So, and make your children happy this time around. Frying goes on until the whole nuggets are done and ready. Yippee! They are done. I was really happy with the outcome. It came out well from my judgment, and I know you will judge your own too. So this is one of the special holiday treats to keep everyone around you happy. My tasters couldn't wait, so they passed judgment to eat immediately.
Really good. So good, too good. Really, really good.
Yeah.
It's just like KFC chicken. It's the same thing as KFC chicken. So you need to buy it from here. Order it on leadermarketstv.com.
So you have seen the judgments of my tasters. They were like, couldn't wait until it comes out from the heat. So now I'm happy with the outcome. Hope you try it this period and even make it part of your recipe. Thank you for watching. More videos will be coming on your way. Like and subscribe to my channel. Ciao.